Wouldn't it be great if you could give customers full control over their entire pool pad? And wouldn't it be even better if full control really meant full control? Variable speed pumps, water temp, pool lights, of course, as well as their backyard lighting, salt chlorinator, even their spa controls. That's right, everything. And wouldn't it be ideal if you could do this for all your customers, not only those doing a full equipment upgrade? All with a simple install process. And wouldn't it be super convenient if all this control was as close as a smartphone or smart device? Controlled by their fingertips or their voice? They can with Hayward OmniHub. OmniHub makes it possible for any pool owner to upgrade their pool pad simply, quickly, and without waiting for a major system overhaul. Using the Hayward app or a voice assistant, your customers will be able to adjust water temperature, salt levels, pumps, lights, and more from anywhere at any time. And it's compatible with most pool equipment brands. Your customers can't really add smart control for everything, can they? They can with OmniHub from Hayward.